To replace the ice chute gasket in the Samsung refrigerator, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Open the left side refrigerator door and use the small flathead screwdriver to depress one of the two retaining tabs to release the ice chute gasket assembly. You can now separate the old gasket from the cap. To install the new ice chute gasket, align the smaller portion of the gasket with the cap's smaller edge and fully seat the gasket. Now align the gasket assembly on the ice chute with the smaller portion of the gasket facing the hinge side of the door and snap it into place.